Good evening, everybody. Thank you for coming here. Everybody over here who is present right now, I have to thank them because everybody is very important. Ritesh, thank you for Force, the way you wrote it. But the most important person for me is Vipul Shah, because he's the man who saw what I had a little bit of. And he will keep giving me chances, I know it, and I will be there for him whenever he needs me. And everybody over here, thank you very much. And I'll personally call you up later after this, and thank you. And thank you for being here. I hope you enjoy Commando 2 as much as you did Commando 1.
Wow, yeah. That was superb. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause, please. Yeah, I know you have a lot of questions. So, yeah. We'll have a quick photo op and then we'll move to the question answer round. I'll take the mic with you. Jayenge?
Yeah. Right.
So we were anticipating a very laughable comedy from you.
Okay.
So what made you take up fully action film like Commando 2? And my second question is, since the financial troubles that are plaguing the country, is it just a coincidence that this is the subject of your film, or did you think about it previously?
Okay. So I'll answer your question number one. That I have been feeling that I'm a versatile actor, but then I was tempt as a comedian more. And similarly, my image is as a director in television is of a more of a comic director of a comedy serial or something like that. But that's why I thank Vipul from the bottom of my heart that he knows me from ages, and he knows my inner talent, and he knows perhaps a little more than what I know of myself. Like he knows the training that I've gone through, the filmmaking training or whatever abroad, and my inner talent he must be very sure of that he approached me for this film. And I feel that I'm not restricted to any particular genre. If I like the subject, the whole project, and if I feel inspired and I feel like, giving my best to it, then I have to say yes to it. And this was, of course, a big opportunity, such a big brand, and it was a big risk for Vipul and everybody involved, like in producing the film. And I really thank them for giving me this responsibility of helming the film. So that answers your question number one. And question number two, answer number two is I feel yes, it has become topical because of this demonetization. But the script, we have been working on the script for quite a while now. Ritesh and Vipul and I and Suresh. We have worked a lot for like a couple of years, I would say, that the germ came up and then we started working on it. And then finally, it is a happy coincidence, perhaps I would say, that and more I feel black money is the topic that I feel we must address to, which our honorary Prime Minister has been, doing his best of efforts to eradicate black money. And this is just one of the steps, like in an entertaining way. So that's what, yeah.
Hi, Vidyut, over here, towards your left, over here. There are so many action films being made in India right now, which are like each action film is raising the bar for action. So when you are making a film like Commando, and if I'm not wrong, you have designed the action yourself. Your team has designed the action yourself. So how difficult does it get for you to come up with something which is never seen before over here?
Yeah, it's not difficult at all because I don't think like an ordinary action guy. And what you see in Indian cinema or internationally, in my opinion, is mediocre. I'm sorry to say it, but it is. So when we did Commando 1, there was the first time in India we did not use cables, there was no stunt doubles, and there was phenomenal action. And Commando 2 में जब हम लोग ने विपुल सर से बात की थी and we wanted to know what we should do, we were just thinking of doing something which is beyond my imagination. So we just worked on it. We didn't think about what others are doing, what these guys are planning to do, or what we've seen. We were just competing with ourselves in Commando 1, and I have a feeling we've done a much better job than Commando 1.
And Vipul
Hi.
sir was...
यार वो पानी में घुसोगे तो गीले तो हो ही जाओगे, थोड़ी बहुत इंजरीज होती रहती हैं, बट इतनी ट्रेनिंग की हुई है कि अब आदत हो गई है. यार बिफोर एनीथिंग एल्स I am a different person from Force to Commando 1 to Commando 2. So whatever the role would be, I would be a different human being. I would do it differently, I would portray it differently, I would exhibit it differently. So number one, बहुत अलग है यार. Force में I was supposed to be this very mean machine, which I did portray. In Commando 1, we were trying to raise the bar in action. But in Commando 2, there's a phenomenal story, there's intrigue in it, and for me, I had to prepare very differently from 1 and 2, from Force and Commando 1.
So basically, you're saying that we have a lot different things for the audience to see in this movie.
कुछ भी वैसा नहीं है phenomenal action के अलावा जो आपने पहले देखा है.
Well, I have to thank Devin sir because we did like a lot of workshops to get the accent right. But I've been doing movies in Hyderabad, so I've been there for a year. So on set, when I used to get bored, I like mimicking people, and I do this all the time on sets everywhere. But so I used to mimic the accent, the Andhra accent, and I think I learned a few of the little local terms that they use here and there. So when I got to play this, I did it entirely from my heart and through his heart and mine. So
All
yeah.
the best.
Thank you.
Actually, while developing the character, I felt only one person can do that character, and that was Shefali. So I asked Vipul कि Shefali को पूछते हैं, and he said,
different છે.
sorry,
એટલું બધું different છે.
it's a terrific role. It's a cameo, but it's a very important role, and I felt Shefali उसको सही तरीके से justice कर पाएगी. So I asked Vipul whether Shefali will say yes. He said, you ask her, because if you feel, I don't know, हाँ बोलेगी ना बोलेगी. बोला अरे तेरी बीवी है, अपना खुद का प्रोडक्शन है, तो ना कैसे बोलेगी. बोला नहीं नहीं नहीं, वो शेफाली है, you never know. बोला पूछ लो. So मुझे लगा कि like अगर शेफाली हाँ बोल दे इस रोल के लिए तो मज़ा आ जाए. And then we narrated her the script and her character, and she loved it, and she said yes.
There's one more thing that, generally there is a sense in India that action films are just no-brainer, entertainer, they are looked down upon. Trust me, this is one of the toughest genre. People get hurt, they get injured. They put in a year's practice into reaching the kind of finesse that they reach. And just because they are doing action, we tend to just write them off. That's not fair. Just to say that our action film will appeal in a single screen is not correct. If we say that, then we are actually challenging the intelligence of the multiplex audience that they are never going to come for any action film. That's not true. They come for action films. It's about the story. It's about how you make the film. And as rightly told by Shibashish, it's either a good film or a bad film. So we will go to every audience across the country and globe with the same expectation that everybody in the entire family is going to like the film.
नहीं, मैं तो टाइपकास्ट होना चाहता था और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मुझे एक्शन हीरो जाना जाता है. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट इट.
शाहरुख की तरह DDLJ या इस तरह की फिल्में दी जाएं, ऑफर की जाएं तो would you love to be part?
अभी तक तो सोच नहीं रहा हूँ. अभी तो जो कर रहा हूँ उसमें बहुत मजे आ रहे हैं और DDLJ में बहुत एक्शन था. बाय द वे आपको रेलवे स्टेशन
एंड में लेकिन पूरी फिल्म में मोहब्बत ही मोहब्बत चल रही है.
यहाँ पे भी बहुत मोहब्बत है. कमांडो 2 में 2 हीरोइनें हैं यार.
ऑफ कोर्स. फ्रेडी, what's your take on that?
टाइपकास्ट सिर्फ ऑनेस्टली बताऊं तो इंटरव्यू में होते हैं, वरना रेगुलर लाइफ में अगर हम जब मीटिंग्स के लिए जाते हैं तो ऐसा कुछ रहता नहीं. When you work as a villain, you're still acting, and when you work positive, you're still acting. When you're doing action, you're still acting. Basically, the idea is आप कुछ भी करो, जो फिल्म बनाने वाले हैं वो जानते हैं कि आप में कौन सा टैलेंट है. हम लोग ऑडिशंस भी देते हैं तो दे सी यू डिफरेंटली डूइंग डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ दिस बिजनेस दैट वी कॉल एक्टिंग. तो ऐसा टाइप कास्टिंग जैसा कुछ रहता नहीं. आई थिंक इट्स फेयर एंड गुड.
स्क्रिप्ट नया होता है, एक नया विजन था. जब हमने कमांडो 1 बनाने का फैसला किया था तो हमारा और रिलायंस का ये पहले से विजन था कि हम 3 फिल्म कम से कम बनाएंगे, और उसी हिसाब से हमने प्लानिंग की थी कि कमांडो 1 एक बेसिक जंगल के अंदर एक एक्शन को एनहांस करती हुई स्क्रिप्ट होगी. पार्ट 2 में हम उसे शहर में ले आएंगे और एक इंटेलिजेंट स्टोरी वीव करेंगे जो कि इस फिल्म की है. टॉपिकलिटी आने से वो फिल्म और भी रेलेवेंट हो गई, और उसके साथ एक ऑब्वियस से एक कास्ट, ऑब्वियसली जो स्क्रिप्ट डिमांड करता है वैसे कास्टिंग होती है. सो ये सारे जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं वो उस स्क्रिप्ट की डिमांड के हिसाब से हमें जो लगा कि ये बेस्ट ऑप्शन हैं वो हैं. और जहाँ तक देवेन का सवाल है, जब हम स्क्रिप्ट लिख रहे थे तब से मेरे दिमाग में ये ख्याल पक्का था कि ये स्क्रिप्ट जब हम एक थॉट पक्का हो जाएगा तो मैं देवेन से इसके बारे में बात करूँगा, और वो पहले दिन से मैं क्लियर था कि ये फिल्म देवेन ही करेंगे एज ए डायरेक्टर।
विद्युत, टाइगर को हमने बागी में एक डिफरेंट तरह का स्टंट करते हुए देखा, इनको जॉन को बहुत डिफरेंट तरह का करते देखा, अभी ये आप कह रहे हैं कि इसमें बहुत डिफरेंट तरह का एक्शन है, तो ये लेवल किस तक, कहाँ तक जाएगा?
मैम डिफरेंट तो है, आपको दिखा ना
जी, लेकिन वो
कहाँ कहाँ से निकल रहा हूँ, इतना बड़ा शरीर। जॉन के साथ बहुत अमेजिंग बात क्या है मैम कि जॉन इज अ ह्यूज मैन एंड टाइगर हैज अ फेनोमेनल फिजिक, ही इज लीन। मैं उन दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन हूँ, तो दोनों चीज़ें करना बहुत मुश्किल है। एक ह्यूज फ्लेक्सिबल नहीं होता और फ्लेक्सिबल ह्यूज नहीं हो सकता है, मगर मैं वो हूँ। एंड जी हाँ, हमने स्टैंडर्ड ऊपर ही करना है। हम लोग आज ही मैं विपुल सर से बात कर रहा था कि ही आस्क्ड मी, विद्युत, हु रियली इंस्पायर्स यू? सो फॉर मी इट्स नॉट ABCD। आजकल यूट्यूब की जनरेशन है, देयर आर फिनोमिनल पीपल। आप जाके देखिए, ऐसे ऐसे अद्भुत लोग हैं यूट्यूब में, वो लोग मुझे इंस्पायर करते हैं। ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें मैं देखता हूँ जैसे वो कांटे से पूरी फाइट कर लेते हैं, वो खाने वाला कांटा। So there are amazing inspirations over there, and I get inspired by those people.
To add to her question, are you all set to dethrone Akshay?
No, it's a very wrong thing to even ask that question. You should never try to dethrone anybody. I will establish a new planet, I will establish a new country, but he should rule where he is.
बहुत अच्छा बोला
सर, दोबारा बोलिएगा, सॉरी, उनके पर ध्यान रह गया। अजय देवगन, अक्षय कुमार, दिस इज नॉट रैंकिंग वाइज, इनका मैं फ़ैन था। शाहरुख खान, मैं इनका बहुत दीवाना था, इन तीनों का। मुझे इन सबका एक्शन बहुत पसंद था। और भी थे हॉलीवुड में, सिर्फ जैकी चैन। सर अब क्या है कि अब मैं यंगस्टर्स से मिलता हूँ, मुझे बोलते हैं कि आप इंस्पिरेशन हो, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग आती है। तो आजकल मैं अपने आप को ही बोलता हूँ, आज का समय मेरा है।